Do you have some bananas, eggs, and cocoa powder? That is all you really need to make these flourless healthy brownies that taste like proper chocolate dessert without all the extra junk. To make this healthy brownie recipe, start by adding 4 eggs to a mixing bowl. Give the eggs a quick mix so that the egg whites and yolks are well combined. A fork or whisk works perfectly for this, no need for electric mixer. Next, add half a cup of cocoa powder and give it another good mix until you have a thick, chocolatey mixture with no dry cocoa powder visible, as you can see here. I personally use Dutch processed cocoa powder since it has a smoother, more chocolatey taste, but any unsweetened cocoa works fine. Next, add baking powder and mix again. Now you will have nice smooth chocolatey mixture that is dark and velvety. I actually tried making these both with and without baking powder and found that just a teaspoon gives them the perfect balance. Next, peel 3 to 4 bananas. For this brownie recipe, you want bananas that are ripe and sweet. The natural sugars in the bananas sweeten these brownies as we do not use any sugar, so the ripeness matters for the final taste. Now, place the bananas in a square baking dish as you see me doing here. Then pour the chocolatey mixture on top of the bananas. Make sure you scoop all of it out of the bowl. Then using a fork or even a potato masher works great here. And mash the bananas so it will get nicely mixed with all the chocolate mixture. I find this method easier than trying to mash bananas in a separate bowl first. This way, everything gets combined in one step right in your baking dish. Next, bake the brownie in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. You will know the brownies are done when the top looks set but still feels slightly soft when gently pressed. I prefer to slightly underbake these rather than overbake them. This keeps them moist and fudgy in the middle, which is exactly what you want from a good brownie. These brownies have a rich chocolate flavor without being overly sweet, and a moist texture that holds together well when sliced. You would never guess they have no flour or added sugar. If you like this low-calorie healthy brownies recipe, then you are going to like these healthy sweet potato brownies recipe here. Check it out now.